Granny Pep here. Today we're going to honor Lost Sock Memorial Day. Whether you find it annoying or confusing or puzzling, it's a fact that socks get lost. So today I'm placing flowers and a wreath at the memoriam. Do you have a theory about where the socks go? Here's one of my favorites, although it's probably not realistic. I'd love it if you share your theories with me in a comment or an email. Enjoy the day, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just a lonely sock.